Let's go raspberry picking! Lucas! Excited ka na? Yeah. No, those are lavenders. Okay na, punta lang na yung wali. Let's go! Ta-da! Okay, go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yay! Let's pick some raspberries. Arene, oh. Mga sa likod lang. Nasisira sila, oh, pag pinipitas. Really? Dapat anuhin mo, ihilain mo dun sa may stem niya para hindi siya maano. Hilain ninyo dun sa may stem, please. Para hindi masira. Yan, oh. Dapat dito siya hilain. Dun sa may ano. May stem niya. Yan, oh. Yeah, they are hard to catch. To get pala. To pull. To harvest. They are hard to harvest. They're usually at the bottom, guys. Malamok. There, oh. Go. Let's pull. There you go. Ito. Ayun, oh, dami nila, oh. Yan. Ouch! Ayun, oh. Yan, oh. Let's pull them. Yan, oh. Ay, nalusaw siya. Ayan, oh. Yan na. Nakakarami na si Pepe. More. Nakatago sila, eh. Ayan, oh. Tingin pa tayo. Yan.
Careful kayo ka rin stem natin yan tusok niyo. Man, and to stay awake because it's 10 to 12.
Is it the one that's in the maggots?
Ano, ang dami, no?
Ini. Man, hindi kaming wakay ni.
Yeah, just remove it. Dito, mas maraming bunga, oh. Tingnan nyo. Eee! Sarap, diba? Yan, oh. Yay! Yan, oh. Diba?
Lucas, naman ka
Let's pull this one. Yay! Diba, oh. Dami. Yay! Ay! Nahulog. Hulog. Sayang. Let's get them back. Ayan, oh. Nakadalawa kaming basket ng malaki ng raspberry. So, it's time to pay now. Let's pay inside. Careful, Lucas. Careful na. Let's go, let's pay.
Yeah, we have the one up there, which is, it is a pretty big block, so I don't know, like, depends where you go and it probably is better and worse or whatever.
Let's pay
And
now.
there's another one back there, but that one's probably even less. That one's been out for longer.
Okay.
There you go. Let's go home. Let's go home.